Hi everyone, it's AC Coder. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Monk Makes Microbit air quality kit. The kit comes with 10 crocodile clips. It also comes with an air quality sensor for the Microbit. And it comes with a speaker for the BBC Microbit. The kit comes with a booklet that gives me information about air quality and CO2. It also gives me a list of experiments I can try out and powering the air quality sensor. The booklet gave me a lot of information about CO2. It explains that the level of CO2 in the air we breathe has a direct influence on our well-being. CO2 levels are of particular interest from a public health point of view. It simply measures how much we are breathing of other people's air. We humans breathe out CO2. If there are many people in a poorly ventilated room, the level of CO2 will gradually increase. I'm going to try out the first experiment in the booklet, which is the air quality meter. The first project displays the air quality as a bar graph. The more LEDs lit on the display, the lower the air quality. When the LEDs are lit, this indicates eCO2. eCO2 is equivalent to CO2. The Microbit's display will show the eCO2 reading in parts per million. In this first project, I will need the air quality sensor to be connected to the Microbit. Firstly, I got my booklet and I went to the page where I could see how the BBC Microbit was connected to the air quality sensor. When I had read through it and looked at the picture, I got one green crocodile clip, one yellow crocodile clip, one red and one black crocodile clip. I got out my BBC version 2 Microbits, an empty battery pack and 2 AA batteries. Once I'd taken out everything I needed, I was able to connect my BBC Microbit with the air quality sensor using the 4 crocodile clips. Now it was time for me to do the code. I did my code on the BBC Microbit Make Code editor. Here is the code that I did. When doing the code on the Microbit Make Code editor, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the Microbit stimulator, where you can see an example of how the code will work on your physical BBC Microbit. Here is the link to my code that I followed from the Monk Makes booklet. The link will also be in the description box below. Now I had finished doing my code, and it was time to connect my BBC Microbit up to my laptop so that I could download my code. I had to wait a few minutes for my code to download. I read through the booklet just to make sure that my code was working properly. I made sure everything was connected up nicely and I was able to start trying it out. I moved around the house to see if anything would change on the Microbit display. When moving around the house with my Microbit and air quality sensor, the display on the Microbit did not change. This meant that I had very stable CO2 levels in the house. I'm also going to try the air quality kit when I go on a walk to see if anything changes around vehicles. Now I have finished trying out the first Monk Makes Microbit air quality kit. and there'll be many more videos to come where I try out all the other projects. Don't forget to check out the Monk Makes website where you can find the Microbit air quality kit. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you to Monk Makes for sending me their new Microbit air quality kit. Don't forget to check me out on Twitter and my new Pinterest page. That's it for today's video. Bye!